Did you know a single rumour about greased bullets almost destroyed the entire British Empire in India? In 1857, the British introduced a new rifle to their Indian soldiers. To load it, you had to bite the tip of the cartridge. Word spread fast that the grease coating it came from pig fat and cow fat mixed together. For Muslim soldiers, touching pork was forbidden. For Hindu soldiers, the cow was sacred. In one stroke, the British had managed to offend both groups at the exact same time. Nobody even agrees if the rumour was true, but it didn't matter, because the anger was never really about the cartridges. It was about 100 years of foreign control, seized land, broken customs, and wounded pride. The cartridges were just the match. In May of 1857, Indian soldiers mutinied. Rebels seized Delhi. Lucknow was surrounded. British control over the entire subcontinent hung by a thread. The British eventually crushed the rebellion, but they never felt safe in India again. One rumour changed everything.